So since we are outside, I thought it would make more sense to keep going. So you can literally walk all the way around this from the outside and like look at the gorgeous view. Literally nestled away right in the treetops. So this is the back door, but we will go inside shortly. Just gonna do a whole 360 walk around first before we get back to the front. There is a cute little place to sit down there as well, and this is the track. Right then, how cute is this reef? We haven't actually been in yet, so we're all seeing this together for the first time. Okay, so here is like the seating area. Beaut. And then here is like where you sit down and put your shoes on area. I don't really know what you call that. And then this will go into the kitchen, which is fully equipped. There's a toaster there. Oh, look, there's a cute welcome pack. Love that. Oh, we've got some eggs and some crisps, cheese and crackers. Oh, what is this? Is this wine? Oh, pure apple juice. Nice, my favorite. And then there's your tea, coffee facilities. You have your sink, a microwave. Oh, and like a cocktail making kit. Love that. Here is the guest book, which I will be sure to write in when I leave. And then look at the tree in the middle. I'm obsessed. Here's the cozy seating area, which I already can't wait to chill out on later. And then your TV area. Right, I'm gonna get this angle in here because look at this staircase. Like, this is unreal. I'm gonna head, actually, before we do that, let me just check what is behind. Oh, it's the bathroom. Let's pop the light on. So you have your shower here. And, oh, that's a quirky toilet. Love that. Oh, ain't positive. But the bathroom is lovely and modern. And that's the door. I'm obsessed with the door. So nice. Right, okay. So then we are going to head on up the stairs. Oh, okay, I've just clocked these. Binoculars, look, so that you can have a look out here. Man, look at these views. Stunning. Right, I'm just going to take my shoes off before I head on up the stairs. Right, there we go. Whew, look at this feature. Look at that feature bath. That is just gorge. Like, look at that. Oh, I'm obsessed. I am absolutely obsessed. Oh, and here's the bed. I love that. Okay, so there's the bed, and then you can look out here. Let me tap that. So you'll be able to see like the stars and stuff. Oh, stunning. And then you have your dressing gowns and slippers. Wow, they've really put so much effort into the presentation of this place. So much effort. And then the tree just right in the middle. Let me step back so you can fully take it all in. Look at that. Honestly. Love it. Right, so I'm gonna head back down the stairs now. But wow. Honestly, I'm completely taken aback. Oh, nearly fell downstairs. Let me stand here. thank you for watching, and I hope you loved viewing this just as much as I did.